Hi guys, I have a monitor to unbox. Please leave a like and subscribe. Let's get started. This is the Acer KG271. The monitor is 27 inch and has a price around $160. It has a delay of 1 millisecond, the monitor has FreeSync and a TN panel. This all combined with a 75Hz monitor, it's a really good gaming monitor. It's delivered with a power and VGA cable. There are 2 HDMI ports and 1 VGA port in the back of the monitor. In the back there is also a loudspeaker, but they are not very good. The monitor has a really good color range for a monitor of this price. There are many settings and lighting options. The brightness of this display is really high. I have it on only 30%. I think this is the best monitor for this price point. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Bye!